All right. Minions are cool and all that stuff. So, dang it. I cannot believe I just did that. Okay. So, really quick, what we already did, since we are going to have to do this all over again, this reflects across the x-axis. It's a vertical stretch because that 3 is bigger than 1, and now I can't write for some reason. 7 left, 2 down. We went into our calculator, we graphed it, and we hit menu 5-1. Okay, now we notice, first of all, what's the vertex? So right there, it tells us it's a maximum, and what is the vertex down here? -7, -2, and if it's at the top of a hill, so to speak, what is that? Max. It also tells you right there on the calculator. Remember, it's menu 5-1 to do that. Now, axis of symmetry is always going to be what? X equals, and what is the x that it equals? What's the x value of the vertex? -7. 10th time's the charm. All right, so x equals the x value of the vertex. That'll be the vertical line going through the vertex. Now, what about the x-intercepts? Now, look at this graph. Look at this graph. Where does it cross the x-axis? Nowhere. It does not cross. So please don't write 0. 0 would mean it would cross at 0. Okay. If it's none, you put none. Not infinity. And then for y-intercept, we already got it, but just for the YouTube audience, y-intercept is 0, -23. All right, now domain and range. Domain is which direction? Left to right, okay? Domain is from left to right. Look at this graph. Again, it's going forever down, but it's also going further left and right. So how do I write that as a domain? With parentheses, -infinity to +infinity, or what's the shortcut? All real numbers, right? Get this down. Over here. Got that. All right, now what about the range? Range is from what to what? Wait, which direction is range?
Up and down.
Is it?
Or down and up.
Okay, bottom to top. Okay, start at the bottom. How far down does this go in this graph here? Can we click a button here? Okay, so we keep going down forever. That's -infinity. And then how far up does it go? So right here, this, don't look right here. You go over here. It's the y value of the vertex, which is what? -2. So -infinity with the parentheses to -2. And since it includes it, we're going to use a bracket. Okay. Now, it is Friday. So you're going to make sure your name is on your warm-ups. And if you missed any days, you put absent on those days. You don't have to stand up at all. You just pass it to the front, and I'm going to pick them up. And then we're going to start this quiz. Here we go.